Dude, where has Skittle been? What is this supposed to be? Some kind of shrine? They really like this monkey thing. Oh my... What is that? Oh. Jeez. Skittle! Skittle?
Ah! Help!
What? Skittle,
Help!
where are you?
Climb up the rock wall!
I'm coming, okay?
Help
Listen,
me!
don't panic, okay?
Come on!
I'm coming. Skittle, what are you doing in that cage?
They knew that when you passed out, I tried to take you back home, but they caught me and they locked me up. And now they know that I'm not fully an ice monkey yet. Let me out! How do I get out?
Listen, Skittle, I'm gonna save you, okay? I'm coming, okay?
Wait, no!